Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to write down the place value and face value of a particular digit in a number according to International Place Value System. Now, to understand this, let's first recall different periods of International Place Value System. So, the first period is of ones, the second period is of thousands, then the third period is of millions, then we move on to billions. Now, the first period of ones have three places in it. Ones, tens, and hundreds. The second period of thousands also have three places in it. Thousands, we have 10,000s and 100,000s. Millions also have three places. Millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. And the same is for billions. So we have billions, 10 billions, and 100 billions. It is important to recall this because we have to first write down the number in standard form. And how do we do that? We start with the digit 2, which is at the units place. First, let's identify the digits in the ones period. Ones period have three places. After the third digit, we put a comma to show the period change. Second is of thousands. Thousands also three places. Put a comma, show that the period has changed from thousands to millions. In millions over here, we have only two places as there are only two digits over here, 38, 3 and 8. Now, let us understand what do we mean by place value? Now, place value is the value of the digit depending upon its position in the period of a particular place value system. So what does this basically mean? That if I want to know what is the place value of the number, say 1 in it, what do? I look at the period in which it belongs. So 1 belongs to the period of thousands. At what place does it belong? It belongs at the place of 10,000s. So what will be the place value? Simply we multiply 1 to 10,000 and the answer is 10,000 only. Now let us take another example. Suppose I want to find what is the place value of 3. 3 belongs to period of millions. At what position? We know 10 millions. So how do we write down? We take the number 3 and multiply it to 10 million. So it becomes 10 million. So there will be how many zeros? There will be 6 zeros and it becomes 30. Sorry, there will be 7 zeros and it will become 30 million. That is it. Now, let us after place value, let us understand that what is face value. Now, face value of a digit is basically the digit itself. It is very simple. If I say, first let's just write down the number in standard form. If I say if I ask that what is the face value of number 8, face value will be 8 itself. The face value over here is 8 itself. If I ask that what is the face value of say 9, the face value will itself be 9. But if on the contrary, let's just recall that what is the place value over here. The place value will be, it belongs to the period of millions. So it will be 8 into which place? 1 million. Million will have 6 zeros. So it is 8 million. Over here, place value will be, for the number 9 lies in the period of thousands at the position of 1000 only. So we multiply it to 1000. So the answer is 9,000. And let us just recall again, face value is the digit itself, whereas place value depends upon the digit's place and position in the particular period according to the place value system. I hope with these examples, the concept is clear. Take more examples and then you can understand it in a better way. Please like and subscribe my channel to get to know more about these videos. Thank you.